Splitting the moon, the knowledge of unseen.
Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad, sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Sayyidatuna Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha has narrated, once I was sewing clothes at home at the time of Sahri. Suddenly, the needle dropped from my hand and the oil lamp also blew out. At the same time, the ghaib-knowing Rasul, the embodiment of Noor, sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam, entered the house. So the entire house became luminous with the Noor of the luminous face of the beloved Prophet, sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. And the lost needle also turned up. Dear viewers of Madani Channel, mark the blessed birth of the Holy Prophet, sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam, enthusiastically in this month of Rabiul Awwal. Also make good intentions in this blessed month for the betterment of your hereafter. Make the good intention of offering 5 times daily prayers and please the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam.